Did you know that the growth of global public cloud services market from 2018 to 2022 is projected at a whopping 82%? That's $331 billion. Cloud technology saves resources, but migrating your applications to cloud is rather time-consuming. Discovering various applications has to be done on large volumes of sensitive data without compromising security. It is challenging, but you don't have to worry about that. CloudHedge has an effective solution for seamless cloud modernization. CloudHedge uses an artificial intelligence-based tool to discover complex applications and configurations automatically within minutes. CloudHedge saves time, costs, and resources for your business without any data loss or disruption. Using Application X-Ray, comprehensive recommendation reports on the hardware and software used in each node are generated to determine whether your application is ready for the cloud. CloudHedge's Discovery tool supports enterprise Windows and Linux operating systems, post-Windows 2003, Windows IIS, Java, .NET, PHP, Python, JBoss, and TomCat type applications. Once the discovery process is complete, CloudHedge displays all relationships and dependencies between services, processes, and hosts on a user-friendly dashboard. CloudHedge is fast, scalable, and affordable. Speed up your journey to cloud with CloudHedge.